Diksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing an acne treatment product. The product is the sulfur ointment. Now this is how the product looks. It comes in this plastic bottle, sorry. And by the packaging you can actually read it's a powerful acne treatment. It's an acne medication. Now this acne product is actually praised by a lot of magazines. If you want to read or just for information, I'm going to link everything in my description box. So coming to the product, guys, it's a powerful oil-free washable acne treatment that will help you quickly reduce your pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, and fungi and blemishes. Sulfur seems to have an antibacterial effect on the bacteria that actually creates an acne. So now I'm sure कि आप लोगों को सल्फर क्या करता है ये तो समझ में आया होगा. Let me show you guys how the product looks. It is deeper yellow color. That's how sulfur should actually look. And जो texture है it's in a creamy form, like easily apply कर सकते हो आप. And but the fragrance is very strong. It's very pungent smell. आपका nose को hit करता है ये smell. So if you are someone you don't like having strong smell on your face, then you shouldn't use this one. And जब भी मैंने 2-3 बार जब इसे पहली बार when I applied this, I was literally holding my nose because it was that strong. So I always check out the ingredient before buying the product. That's how I can save my money, because usually if ingredient which won't suit my face मैं purchase करके allergic होके reaction होने के बाद वो product को discard करने से अच्छा पहले purchase करने से पहले ही वो ingredient क्या है देखकर purchase करना is lot better, right? Anyways, इसमें जो main ingredient है it is active sulfur. The active ingredient is sulfur, which is 10%. And आजकल companies भी बहुत ज़्यादा smart हो चुके हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग smart हो चुके हैं तो obviously वो लोग भी smart होना होता है. तो यहाँ पर if you see जो ingredient list में there is only one ingredient which says active ingredient sulfur, which is 10%. And यूजुअली हम इंग्रेडिएंट और प्राइस के बदले कुछ और नहीं पढ़ते हैं. मे बी वी विल सी द डायरेक्शन टू यूज. अदर देन दैट वी डोंट यूजुअली गो टू रीड एनीथिंग. सो हाउ स्मार्टली दे हैव रिटन द नेक्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट at the end मैं बहुत close up आपको दिखा दूंगी, which is polyethylene glycol, which is an ingredient which is inactive in this product. So it is not just the sulfur, it's not like pure form of sulfur here. You get a mixture of polyethylene glycol as well. इसके बारे में मैं बाद में बता दूंगी आप लोगों को. So the best part about this product is it is non-comedogenic. Now if I have to explain you what non-comedogenic means in a very simpler form, then usually you have pores on your face. Everybody has pores, but the size of the pore differs from people to people, skin type to skin type. So usually कोई भी product आप डालते हो तो pores के अंदर जाएगा. And when you wash your face उसके there are chances that वो pores clean नहीं होगा, and that would lead to new acne या pimple. So what this product is, it is non-comedogenic, which means that this is not going to enter your pores and it is not going to erupt a new pimple for you. This is going to be the outer part, like सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऊपर का film जैसे ये बैरियर जैसे एक फिल्म जैसे होगा जब when you apply this. The next best thing about this is there is no artificial color. So usually sulfur is yellow in color and this is bright yellow, so I'm sure it has no color in this, and there is no artificial fragrance, which I agree, because this has very pungent bad smell. If they wanted to add any fragrance, they could have added any rosemary or any other अच्छा सा oil इसमें add कर सकते थे, but they didn't, which I agree. And then no artificial preservative. Here I have a doubt, like मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया था कि inactive ingredient में उन लोगों ने polyethylene glycol लिखा है, which मैंने फिर inactive थोड़ा बहुत गूगल सर्च करने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि देयर इज 0.5% ऑफ पॉलीइथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल इन दिस, व्हिच हेल्प्स टू बाइंड द प्रोडक्ट. सो इसका टॉक्सिसिटी है वो बहुत कम है, व्हिच मींस दैट जो उसका डैमेज है बहुत कम है. यू कैन एक्चुअली द होल बॉटल में 0.5% का ही पॉलीइथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल है, व्हिच इज नॉट गोइंग टू डैमेज यू. बट अगेन दिस इज हाउ अ कंपनी थिंक्स. दे डोंट रियली गिव like a detail of products or ingredient what's in it, even though they have written, but I think that is not the right way to write. They had to write it just under the ingredient list, right? So next, coming to how to use this product, is super simple, guys. First you'll have to wash your face, clean your face, dry it first, and then take very little amount of this product and apply it on the affected area. Now affected area means where there is pimple, or if you have like feeling that there is going to be an eruption very soon, like kabhi kabhi kya hota hai, when there is a pimple coming, you know, थोड़ा बहुत रेडनेस हो सकता है, या थोड़ा जब आप टच करते हो तो पेन होता है. दैट इज वेयर यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट. दैट्स इट. इट इज नॉट अ फेस मास्क, इट इज जस्ट एन एक्ने ट्रीटमेंट, सो यू कांट एक्चुअली यूज इट ऑल ओवर योर फेस. ओके, इट विल बर्न योर फेस. सो जहां जहां पर आपको एक्ने है वहां पर ही यूज करना है. एंड after using, you have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes only. This is the most important thing to follow while you use this product. You can't use it more than 15 minutes. If you're someone who forgets, then you can keep your alarm, like set your alarm for this time, and then you have to wash it. Now coming to wash it, it is not simple to wash this, guys. If you are in a hurry, or if you just wash it off with plain water, sulfur is going to stay in your skin. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to use a nice face wash while you wash your face. That's it. Simple, very easy to use it, right? So things you need to be very careful while using this product. I can be a little repetitive here. The first thing is not to use this product more than 10 to 15 minutes. Once you're done, do wash it with like nice face wash or something, so that the sulfur clears out from your skin. So the next thing is, don't use it very close to your eyes. Like if you have acne or any pimple very close to your eyes, don't use this product, because the fragrance is very strong and it might irritate your eyes. The third thing being, once you wash your face off, don't forget to use a moisturizer, because this product is very drying. It kills the bacteria and it leaves your skin very dry. So if you don't moisturize, next day you might see skin flaking or skin peeling. So once your skin is dried, you need to give a little moisturization to your skin. So use a good water-based moisturizer. So this product is okay with any skin type. Even if you have dry skin, you can use this product. The only thing is you'll have to moisturize it very well. Now I have got super sensitive skin, and when I use this, I never breaked out or I never had any rashes, so I use it very well. Now guys, it is on a costlier side. Before using this, if you have like sensitive skin, you can try and use salicylic acid cream. I think it costs around 250 rupees. So you can use that. If you know you have no problem with that, then I think you can go ahead with this as well. If you use too much product on your skin, you might experience a little bit of burning or stinging feeling on your skin, which is not really good. So the amount of this product is very little, and washing off is very important as well. So coming to the price of this product, guys, this is on a little expensive side. It is around 2204 rupees, I guess. I got it from Amazon and it was imported from Canada. So if you feel this is a little expensive, then you can even try the salicylic acid cream. If you want me to review that, I'm going to review it in my next video, and the cost of that is around 250 rupees, I guess. So you can try that first. If you feel that it is working, like वो बहुत ज़्यादा वर्क नहीं करता है, थोड़ा बहुत काम करता है. If you think that is working on your skin, then you can go ahead with this one. So I thought, why not answer few of your questions before you guys ask me any. Now if you have any questions, you can ask it in my comment section. I'm going to be answering it all. So the first question here is sulfur helpful to clear your acne scars? Now sulfur is good to help you reduce your acne. जो पिंपल का साइज है उससे मिनिमाइज करेगा या नया पिंपल आने से स्टॉप करेगा. बट नो, इफ यू ऑलरेडी हैव एनी पिंपल और ओल्ड एक्ने स्कार, ये यूज करने से कोई भी फायदा नहीं होगा. इनफैक्ट आपका स्किन बहुत सेंसिटिव होगा. इट कैन पील ऑफ एंड रैशेस भी हो सकते हैं, या इट कैन बर्न योर स्किन एज वेल. सो इट इज नॉट समथिंग टू बी यूज्ड ऑन एक्ने scars. As I've seen a lot of my friends have like, those are not acnes or pimples, but there are like a bump sort of things on forehead या chin area, and कुछ लोगों का back side में भी होता है. And there are two reasons for it. One, the back side जो back में होता है, it can be because of dandruff issues, or second reason can be sort of fungi. Now this sulfur can help you reduce your scars, not scars, sorry, the bumps on your back, or it might kill the blackheads or the acne mark on your forehead as well, because sulfur is very good. It kills the bacteria or fungi that's on your face or shoulder. So if you have that problem, you can get this one, guys. It is so good. Okay, so the next question is sulfur good for oily skin? I would say sulfur is best for oily skin because it is going to clear your pores and आपका acne या clear skin होने में help करेगा. Now you are in a benefit side because आपका skin already oily है, तो वो आपको ज़्यादा dry out नहीं करेगा compared to the combination skin type person and the dry skin person. The next question is, how does sulfur clear your acne? What sulfur does is, sulfur इसमें 10% sulfur है, which is very strong. So जब आप सल्फर आपके एक्ने या ब्लैक हेड्स या वाइट हेड्स के ऊपर डालोगे तो उसका बैक्टीरिया को वो किल करेगा. जब बैक्टीरिया किल करेगा तो देन योर पोर्स एंड योर फेस इज क्लियर, तो बहुत जल्दी हील भी होगा एंड यू विल हैव लाइक अ क्लियर स्किन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर इज सल्फर गुड फॉर योर स्किन? आई डिड अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च बिफोर आंसरिंग दिस, गाइज, एंड nowadays you see a lot of product like sulfur based product in market, and I'm sure quantity ऊपर नीचे होगा. The quantity might not be as strong as the sulfur I am showing you here, and there are like daily soaps as well जिसमें पूरा का पूरा सल्फर है. बट जितना मैंने रिसर्च किया है उसमें ये पता चला गया कि sulfur is not good for your skin on daily basis. Like when you have an acne, using it is different rather than using it daily, like just like a mask और कोई भी क्रीम जैसे आप अप्लाई कर रही हो. देयर इज नथिंग ऑन योर फेस टिल यू फील लाइक अप्लाई कर दो, हो गया. दैट इज नॉट द वे यू हैव टू बी यूजिंग sulfur, because that can damage your skin. So use it only when you have acne and pimples. So the next question is, does it help cystic acne? Now guys, very clear no. This is only for acne which is not for cystic. Cystic acne क्या होता है, बहुत बड़े होते हैं, पस होते हैं उसमें. This is not to treat that. उसके लिए आप एक अच्छा सा डर्मैट के पास जा सकते हो. It can be because of hormonal imbalance as well, but here this sulfur is going to treat your blackheads, whiteheads या छोटे मोटे एक्ने कभी कभी आ जाते हैं, जैसे इफ यू ईट अ लॉट ऑफ शुगर या व्हेन यू हैव योर पीरियड्स कमिंग और समथिंग, वैसे भी हो सकते हैं, या रैंडमली कभी कभी आ जाता है पिंपल्स. दिस इज टू ट्रीट ओनली सच पिंपल, गाइज. क्लियरली टेलिंग, इफ यू हैव सिस्टिक एक्ने या बहुत एक्ने है आपके फेस में, देन डोंट ट्राई दिस. दिस इज not for those. So the next question here is, can sulfur whiten your skin? And now guys, it is not going to whiten your skin, but आप sulfur को फेस मास्क जैसे अप्लाई करोगे एंड नेक्स्ट डे जब व्हेन यू वॉश इट ऑफ, आप देख सकते हो थोड़ा बहुत आपकी स्किन में वाइटनिंग या फेयर इफेक्ट मिल जाएगा. इट इज़ जस्ट एन इल्यूशन, बिकॉज आपका जो स्किन है बहुत ड्राई आउट हो जाएंगे एंड आपका ऑयल भी क्लियर हो जाएंगे. दैट इज द ओनली रीजन आप वाइटनेस देखोगे. अदर देन दैट इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेक यू फेयर. एंड इफ यू सी वेरी रेगुलर यूज ऑफ सल्फर, आपको एक पिंपल के ऊपर आप एवरीडे सल्फर डालोगे तो छोटा एक मार्क भी आ जाएगा, लाइक द बॉर्डर लाइन विल बी वाइट, लाइक उधर थोड़ा वाइटनेस आ जाएगा, बिकॉज that is how you will know कि कितना strong है ये sulfur. So the next question here is sulfur bad for your skin? Yes, too much of sulfur is bad for your skin because sulfur का जो pH property है, it is very high. That is going to break the barrier of your skin and आपका जो skin का moisture है वो evaporate हो जाएगा and आपका pores जो है वो भी damage हो सकता है. So too much of sulfur is not good for your skin. What you can do is ऑन एंड ऑफ सल्फर यूज कर सकते हो. जब भी पिंपल या एक्ने आने वाला है, आ चुका है, उसे कम करने के लिए सल्फर यूज करिए. एंड अदर टाइम don't use sulfur, you can use other, and don't forget to use a moisturizer after using sulfur. Next question here is, can you leave sulfur overnight? Now it's a big no guys. आप फेस में सल्फर अप्लाई करके रात भर रखोगे तो नेक्स्ट डे आप देखोगे आपका जो स्किन है वो उसका जो टेक्सचर है सब कुछ लूज करेगा एंड इट कैन डैमेज योर स्किन परमानेंटली. सो दैट्स इट गाइज. आई होप मैंने बहुत सारा कुछ कवर करने के लिए ट्राई किया है एंड आई होप आई डिड दैट. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस यू कैन आस्क मी इन माय कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. एंड आई होप आप लोगों को ये वाला वीडियो पसंद आया है. एंड इफ इट इज हेल्पफुल गाइज, प्लीज डू like, comment and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.